Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Thought of the day for school morning assembly. You have to believe in yourself when no one else does, which means suppose we are talented and hardworking, but after hardworking we do not get success on trying repeatedly. Then what do we think? We think that we are good for nothing in life. Or why am I not succeeding? It becomes toughest times and situations in our life. We need moral support. Dear friends, our life is all about ups and downs. And in such worst situation, we should recognize our obstacles and should support ourselves on our struggles. And it's true that believing in yourself is crucial to succeeding. Studies have shown that higher self efficacy indicates success in areas like academic performance. If we can believe, we really can achieve. Thank you.